Hey guys, welcome to the video of Ubuntu command line tutorial. Today we will be discussing about ls command. So ls is basically a Linux shell command which lists directories. So let's jump into our terminal. You can find the terminal in the application section. You can open it from here by clicking on it. Otherwise you can use a shortcut also. So for that you have to press Ctrl Alt T. By using this Ctrl plus Alt plus T, you can open the terminal. So here you can type the ls command to view the list, but these ls commands have some options too. You can access various kinds of things with this ls command. So there are some syntax which you have to know to write this properly. So now I'm going to show the syntax of writing ls command. So first you have to type ls space the option space the file or directory. So this is the correct syntax of ls, which is ls space option space file or directory. So now let's try to break it down and try to understand the syntax. So if we give simply the ls command in the terminal, it will show the list present in the directory. Since we are in the home directory, this is my home directory address. So we are in the home directory, so the ls it will show all the list of contents or item present in the home directory. So now we have seen the ls command. So now let's cross check whether the ls command is viewing us the right files or not. So for that let's go to my files section. Here I'm clicking on it. Okay, here it is. So here we can see the files: desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, etc, etc, and the similar files the ls command has listed us. So our command works properly. Now what if we want to view the list of the documents directory? We are viewing the list of the home directory, right? So now I want that the ls command, I will use the ls command to view the other files or the list present in the different directory. So for that you have just simply type ls and the directory name. So let's say I want to see the document section. I will type ls documents slash, and if I hit enter, I will see demo1.sh. So let's cross check it again whether inside documents the file is present or not. So I am entering in documents, so you can see the same file is present here also. Okay, now if you want to view your root directory, you have to type the command pwd, which I mentioned earlier in my video. So if I type pwd, you will get the home directory path. Okay, so I can view the list in other ways also. Okay, so for that if we see another way, it ls, and if I type my home directory's path, it will show all the files. Okay, this command and this command is pretty the same. There is another command also, ls, this sign, which you will find in the backtick in the up of the backtick. Okay, so if I hit enter, it will also show the list of the home directory. Okay, so we have got total 3 commands for viewing the home directory: ls, okay, then ls this sign, and the other was ls the directory path. Okay, these three commands are pretty the same. So if you want, so let me clear what I have written in my terminal. So for clearing the things up, you have to type clear command, clear clear command, and you will get a fresh terminal again. Okay, so now let's once again view our files in our home directory. So we have seen that we use the command pwd to print out the working directory path. Okay, so now we are in the home slash this directory. Inside this directory we have these files. So what if we want to view the files of the directory which is one step backward? What if you want to view the files of or the list which is one step backward? So for that you have to use the command ls space dot dot, two dots. This is this command is for stepping one step backward. Okay, if you hit enter, you can see here we have come here, which is this folder. Okay, now what if we want to go two step backward? So for that we have to type the command ls dot 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 slash dot dot. So this is the command of going two step backwards. Okay, if you hit enter, you can see this is our root folder, and here are the list of that folder. So now let me clear my terminal again. I am typing the clear command. So my terminal is clear now. So now there is another command which is ls minus l. Okay, so here this command is used to view the files in the long form. Okay, so here you can in this side dr, w, xr, these are the writes which the user or the group or others may access. Here here is the file folder name, and here is the time and month etc for the file or the directory. Okay, so here you can see that there are something like dr, w, xr, xr, x. So what are these? Okay, let me explain it. The d which you can see here, the d this stands for directory, the r is for read, w is for write, x is for execute, and r is for write. Okay, so you can see there are three segments. So basically this portion is the writes which the user have on these directories. So here for the first one, desktop, here this first one is the user write. Okay, so I can like read, write, execute, and write the directory. And the second one is for the group. So the group has the access of what? X stands for what? Execute. Okay, and to read, and the other has the just to execute. Okay, so there are another command for viewing the hidden files also. So the command is ls minus a. With this command you can view the hidden files. So if I press enter, you can see these files which are hidden files, dot bash logout, dot config downloads, dot local, etc, etc. So these are the hidden files. Okay, so today we have learned the commands which is related to ls, and we have learned how to view the working directory which was pwd. Okay, and we have learned how to clear our terminal by using clear command. Okay, so that's all for today. I will be discussing more commands, more Ubuntu and Linux terminal commands in the future video. Thank you everyone.